Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, I'll be discussing as market has reversed right from 15,200 levels on Nifty back towards 15,800 levels. And in this case, should you buy the small cap stocks and what are the view on my small cap index? Before that, in case you have missed my video, is the market correction over, where I have discussed Dow Jones and Sensex charts, and markets are taking support at long-term trend line, long-term support zone on Dow, which I have highlighted at 29,500, 29,800, Sensex, which I have highlighted between 49,000 to 51,000, and markets have been taking support around these levels as of now. But in the market reversal, is it good time to look for a small cap stocks? Let's look at this first chart over here, which is the small cap index chart. And if you look at the chart right from 2014-2015, if I just look at the trend line where the breakdown happened, the highs were being holding, and now when the breakout happened out of this trend line on the bullish side, it is coming back to retest that support. And if you look at the recent last week, the slope has turned positive again, right at support of trend line. Plus, if you look at the orange line over here, it is again 200 weekly exponential moving average where it is taking support as well. So 200 basically is known as the long-term moving average, and generally it has been used as golden cross when your 50 days average crosses about the 200 average, which means the short-term crosses over the 200. But in this case, I'm taking 200 weekly average, which is again a long-term chart, long-term support, which plays a key important role. And if you look at the previous in 2019 as well, it broke out of 200 days average, retested 200 and continued the bearish momentum. In this case, it has broken above the 200 days average back in 2020, retesting in 2022 again, which will act as a support zone. Additionally, the trend line will also around the same level indicates that 7,800, 7,900 stands out to be excellent support. We made a low somewhere around 7,901, 7,910, and coming back to 8,500 levels, it is a strong momentum again from the lows right at around 8-9%, coming back on a weekly scale is again a stronger support reversal. Second, if I look at the chart over here, which I have indicated in 2021 as well, if you look at the structure, this is the small cap divided by Nifty 50 chart, and this is the ratio chart. The ratio chart are basically used to identify the outperformance and underperformance of an instrument against the other. So when the ratio goes higher, which means that if you look at the numerator, which is CNX small cap index or the Nifty small cap index, the ratio going higher means that the small cap index is outperforming against the Nifty 50. The ratio going down, which means that Nifty is outperforming against the small cap. Now, if you look at right from 2018, small cap was underperforming, Nifty was outperforming, large cap were outperforming against the small caps. Back in 2021, start of 2021, we saw that the bullish head and shoulder structure has been broken out of this ratio chart. Now, the bullish head and shoulder structure breakout means that small cap index will outperform against the Nifty, and we saw that rally back in 2021 where small cap was rallying at a fast and furious than the large caps. Back in 2022, the ratio reversed. We saw a retracement, and now that retracement is retesting the breakout of bullish head and shoulder, which is, as per the technical analysis, the breakout retest and opportunity to look at an excellent low risk high reward trades. So I believe looking at the structure, small cap index could see an outperformance against the Nifty, and it is an excellent time for small cap stocks to look at, which are outperforming in the small cap basket, which are outperforming against the Nifty 500, and look at the structure where they are very, very bullish fundamentally as well. The third chart which I want to highlight over here is the Russell 2000, which is the US small cap index over here. Now, if you look at this index over here, look at right at 2007, 2008, the breakout happened. We did a retest in 2020. The slide was slightly higher, but if you look at the daily chart, if I remember, it has made a low around those similar levels. Back in 2021, it broke out about the previous couple of highs, and now it has been retesting the same highs again, somewhere around 1700 levels. So I believe this is an excellent opportunity where the breakout retest has happened. And if you look at the lower panel over here, where the RSI, when the RSI test around 35 to 30 zone onto the Russell 2000 index, it gives an excellent reversal sign. Again, the momentum at support plus RSI into the oversold level or into the demand zone indicates that this Russell could see a reversal and which could again benefit, as we are a follower of US markets. Russell moving higher, which means a small cap index could follow the footstep of the Russell, and we may see the structure heading higher. Remember, small cap index is also trending at 200 weekly exponential average, the trend line. The ratio chart is indicating that it's time for small cap index to head higher. So I believe it is an excellent time for an investors to look for a outperformance into the small cap over the Nifty, and the stocks which are outperforming into the small cap index or CNX 500 could be an excellent opportunity into the markets to accumulate the small cap stocks. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.